morning, everyone. How are you doing? This is Pierre Claude from My Search for Freedom. Today is our third day out. I'm going to have another video for you. We are going to Nyamata again. I would say we are going to Bugesera, but before we see anything else, thank you very much to all subscribers who are making this channel what it is today. Because when we started in 2023, we didn't know that we will have this amount of subscribers. So for the anniversary of the channel in September, I would like to reach to 500 subscribers. It doesn't sound big, but for me it's big, because when I started this journey, because when you started the YouTube channel, sometimes the people who will subscribe to your channels are your friends and your family members. Some of them, not even all of them, will subscribe to your channel because maybe your channel is not interesting enough, or they are not interested in that kind of content. But I would like to let you know that I appreciate every one of you who subscribes to this channel, My Search for Freedom. I am trying to share with you my journey in Africa that started in September 2023. Today we are going to Bugesera again. We will show you some stuff, and stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, now we have arrived at that house they are showing us. This house is in Nyamata. We're going to get to the small gate here. This is the small gate. This house is in Nyamata. So there's plenty of space for parking here. It's a 5-bedroom house with 4 bathrooms. So I'm showing you, I think it's 3 bathrooms. I'm going to show you inside. This is the parking space, a lot of parking space here. And also we have here nice, very nice garden. Very nice garden. It's a big yard, very big yard. Among all the houses that we've seen so far, you remember the one that we showed you that has 5 bathrooms. So this one seems to be the biggest so far. So this is a nice one. This is all furnished, this house, for 800,000, according to what he says. I'm going to show you inside, but before, let's look at the outside. It looks like a nice neighborhood. Everybody has their big yard, and also they also have nice garden in their homes. Let's check this one out. We're going to check the boys' quarter, which is here. They told me there's a washing machine in here. There's a washing machine in here, as you can see. It's the place of storage, or maybe where the person who keeps, that's his bedroom, the person who works here. So very nice, very nice. They have nice bananas here. Wonderful. So let me show you the kitchen. This is the kitchen. They have their stove here, some small oven. They have this here. Very nice place. This is the living room and dining room. This is the dining room. They also have a very nice, it comes furnished. It has smart TV, internet, Wi-Fi. It also has a nice sectional here. The decor is not bad. Wonderful. This is the first two rooms. One is here, one on the right, one on the left. They also have a bathroom, shared bathroom for these two rooms here. The first is this one. Yeah. And then the second one is that one. So that's the room. They have a garderobe, closets, and then if we turn on the other side of the house, we have a room here, and then this room can use this bathroom on the hallway, in the hallway. Same thing of that room. That room can use the same bathroom here. But when we go to the master bedroom, is here. This is the master bedroom. Master bedroom has everything. The toilet of the master bedroom is right here. And then if you are coming out of the master bedroom, if you don't want to go through the living room, you can just go out from this door. Really nice, I would say. Really nice house in Nyamata. So I will give you the number of that guy if you want to call him. If you are passing through Nyamata, or you are coming to Rwanda, you want to rent a house. This one is a nice one to think about. Yeah, a very nice big porch. And you have also a view from there. You can find a view here. And now we are leaving this house to go check another one. The guys are showing us. They are showing us many houses. Actually, they showed us two before. We didn't do any video with them, but this one is the best so far that we have seen today. Small garden, but there are some greens anyway. That's nice. This is the porch, and then this is the living room. All houses are furnished with TV, internet. This is a sectional. They have a small dining. Also here they have a fridge. They have stove, oven, microwave. They have this. They have nice, very compact, but it's nice. And then they have, let's see the backyard here. They have a kitchen outside too, outside kitchen. And that's the one here. And then maybe the storage, or maybe boys' quarter. So
tank.
Yeah, they have a tank also. Okay. Oh, they have a tank. Let me show you here. Yeah, 2,500 liter. 2,500 liters. In case there's no water. So, and where are the bedrooms? Here. Okay. Yeah, the first bedroom is here. It's not a king size bed, but it seems nice and comfortable. Yeah. And then there's another, oh, that's the bathroom here. For this bedroom and that bedroom. Yeah, two bedrooms that share the same bathroom. Yeah. This bedroom is here, but this one looks bigger than the other one. more space than the other one. And then we have third bedroom here. It has it. Okay, okay. Here they just wash these beddings. That's why it's not made. The bed is not made because they just wash them. So here, this is the bathroom for that room. That's the master bedroom here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so we have 3 bedrooms here and 2 bathrooms, all furnished, and nice kitchen. And people who are passing by, they can just rent the house. So if someone see the video on my YouTube channel, they want to contact you, can I put your number on my YouTube channel and people can contact you? If they want to rent house in Nyamata. So you only work in Nyamata? Oh, pas à Kigali. Juste ici, à Nyamata. Ok, tu travailles seulement ici à Nyamata. You work only here in Nyamata. Okay, that's nice. And then this area called Kichu. This area, la zone s'appelle comment encore ici? Kachiru. On appelle Kachiru. On appelle Kachiru. Oui. Il y a aussi Kachiru à Kigali. Oui. But this is Kachiru in Nyamata. Oui. All right. Thank you very much, Edward. Okay. I will take your number and then we will share the number on the YouTube channel for anybody, even if we don't take this hours, but somebody can see the on channel, they can text you or call you too. To give them, you know. Yeah, oui, merci. Okay, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Yeah. Merci beaucoup. Yeah.